In fact, we have been long thinking about giving a good experience to our customers. Generally the talk of the town is that BSNL is a government company and BSNL works more to rule and procedures, and BSNL many times forgets what is it that they have to do for the customers. So we thought, why not we try to do things differently, and we said we will also set up an experience zone for the customers where customers can have a first hand feel of our services. For example, many customers complain that the broadband is slow. Now we would like to show to the customer how we check the speed of the broadband, and if he finds that the broadband is really slow, we would like to take whatever corrective action that can be taken. After all, it is value for money which the customer wants in today's world, and we would very much like to provide that value to the customer. In fact, that is the intention of our top management. Being a public sector company, we can't try to pull a fast one and try to please the customer only by doing aggressive marketing. After all, we have to see that substance is there in our marketing, and at the end of the day we are able to deliver the service which we are committed. Here we have actually organized an open customer experience zone where any customer who enters this building cannot fail to spot this experience zone. It is not that it is inside closed doors, inside four walls. It has been kept open deliberately, because every customer who passes through that corridor, that lobby, he will be able to get an experience of what is going on there. We hope that this will definitely encourage customers to come and have a feel of the various BSNL services in our building. In fact, depending on its success, we would like to really open more customer zones, customer experience zones in different areas of this city. And I hope that we will succeed in our endeavor, and we will be able to really open many more customer experience zones, at least in Hyderabad city to start with. Maybe this is the first of its kind. I do not know whether MTNL has opened some customer experience zones in either Mumbai or Delhi, but I am very sure that BSNL, this may be one of the first customer experience zones where we are trying to give a demo of all the services which we offer. And let this become the first customer friendly initiative of BSNL in Andhra Pradesh in the year 2012, which means that we would like to have many more such functions throughout this year, so that customer will have the confidence and faith in BSNL. And there are many offers, in fact, which we have brought out, which we have launched for the benefit of the customers. So it's a matter of detail. We have tried to list out in our brief whatever are the attractive offers which BSNL has launched for the benefit of the customers across landline, broadband, mobile, data cards, segments of business.